The wonderful thing about barn conversions at this stage of the development is you get to see the very essence of the building, the very bones of the structure. It is wonderful to see these old stone walls with their various different sized openings, none of them the same, which makes it so interesting. And the fantastic roof structure of the A-frames, purlings, the rafters, and the way you can see the rag slates through them like that. And we try to retain as much of that character as we can. Obviously you have to balance it with the regulations on insulation, but it's still possible to create these wonderful characterful homes. And using the old timbers that were slotted into those joists holes in the walls, any of them that are any good we'll reuse as beams above doors and windows to create that wonderful feeling of an old barn still. You know, we're very privileged and very blessed to have such a fantastic open space to work with, and it is hugely exciting.